Got hit with unfair negative feedback? Here's how to request a removal on eBay. Let's get into the video. First, head to ebay.com and log into your account, preferably the one that received the feedback. Hover just over the eBay and account settings. Then select feedback from the menu. You'll see all your received feedback here. Scroll through recent feedback and find the negative comment in question. Make sure to verify the data and username to avoid mistakes. Next, click the Request Feedback Revision button next to the comment. This only appears if the buyer is eligible to revise. Since I don't have any feedbacks, I can't use that function. Select Reason for a revision request, such as misunderstanding or issue resolved, and add a polite message asking the buyer to reconsider. Keep in mind, you can only request a feedback revision within 30 days of the transaction, and buyers have 10 days to respond. And that's how you request a feedback removal on eBay. Stay professional. If this video helped you, hit the like button, subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching. If this